All right, Mike and Justin in the morning at the 2013 First Robotics World Championship. We're here in the Galileo division with 1912 and their robot HAMMERHEAD, and we're going to talk a little bit about their robot. So can you tell me a little bit about your drivetrain?
We have a pretty standard 6-wheel alignment. We have high traction wheels from Andy Mark. Then we have 2 super shifters on each side, 2 sim motors for each one. So we can shift into low gear and push around other robots, or go into high gear for making runs across the field. 80/20 chassis, it's pretty robust and it's easy to put together, even if it is a little heavy. So let's move on to the shooter.
Yeah, as for the shooter, we use 2 pneumatic Andy Mark wheels, running on 2 sim motors each at a 0.86 gear ratio, going to each off of pulleys and belts. The intake, we have discs fall in from the 2nd level, come down, fall in, and they'll stack. It's actually a gravity-fed hopper. They'll all stack inside the hopper. You'll then have a disc here and a disc on top of it. You'll have the disc be pulled in, shot out. The disc will move up and it'll be brought down. It's a pretty simple shoot, so it's pretty effective also.
So would somebody like to talk about how you guys hang for points?
Well, this year we knew that hanging from the bottom would be pretty easy, so our goal was to make it as quick as possible. So what we did is we used 2 9-inch stroke pistons, and it takes about a second to hang. We leave them up at all match with a net on top that extends to 60 inches, so we can play defense as well. And so the hanging process takes about a second.
And you would like to talk about electronics, correct?
Yeah.
All right.
So all of our electronics is housed within the polycarb, and we use 4 Talons, 2 Victors, and then we have 2 US digital encoders running PI loops on our shooter, so they are regulated at 3,750 RPM, which ensures for an accurate shot.
Well, that's great. So that was 1912 Team Combustion and the robot HAMMERHEAD, and we wish you guys the best of luck the rest of the weekend.